Hi everyone, thanks for watching. This is your weekly update for Friday, February 21st, 2020. I would like to start this week by showing you all of these really awesome pots me and Melanie unpacked. We were so excited to unpack them. We think they'd be the perfect home for succulents, cactus, or other potted plants. Let me show them to you. So I hope you like them. I hope you like that little preview of what's to come. Hopefully soon we'll be able to open that greenhouse, get you some plants, and start potting up. So even though it's the last week of February, there are still a few gardening to-dos. One would be to take a soil test in a lawn or garden. The other would be to respray deer repellent on those deer-susceptible plants. It is also time to sow grass seed. Yes, I said sow grass seed. For anyone that needs to thicken their lawn, I know my lawn is all beat up from all the mud all winter because I have a very large golden retriever who likes to run back and forth to get his ball. So I will be sowing some grass seed. You want no snow on the yard, but you do want it to still be frozen. So the freeze thaw through the next couple of weeks will help get that soil into the ground, and then it will germinate when the soil temperatures do warm up. And the seminar this Saturday is on growing cut flowers. I think my favorite cut flower is sunflower, maybe peony, maybe hydrangea, maybe ranunculus. I don't know, it's very hard to pick. And thinking of cut flowers, that reminds me of my trip to the Seiberling farm last July when Norma showed me her cut flower garden. And this past Thursday, we had our annual employee meeting. Pretty much everyone was here. We went over expectations for 2020. We watched safety videos, and we finished our Proven Winner training program, where we learned all of the 2020 winners of their plants of the year. Last but not least, I'd like to wish my mom a very happy birthday. Her birthday is on the 22nd, tomorrow. If you see her at the seminar Saturday morning, please say happy birthday to her. Well, thank you again for watching. Today marks the 8-day countdown until we are open for the 2020 season. We have decided to open on Saturday, February 29th, so we hope to see you all then. Okay, bye-bye.